Hi class, I'm here and I'm ready to tell you about our next math worksheet. This practice is going to be about story problems. We've done a little bit with story problems, but not a whole lot. So it might be sort of new, but I know you'll be able to figure it out. Let me switch over and show you the paper. Here is the paper. It's really pretty simple. It has some words. You might play this video again if you don't have someone to help you read the questions. But let me show you the paper. The directions say draw pictures and write an addition equation to solve the story problem. Now remember, an addition equation is just a number sentence. So it's when we take a number and we add another number and we get our answer. So here's the example. It says, example, there are 2 squares and 3 stars. How many total shapes are there? So if this wasn't here and I read that problem, I would say there are 2 squares. Okay, I'm going to draw my 2 squares. 1 square, 2 squares. And 3 stars. Okay, I'm going to draw my 1, 2, 3 stars. Okay, that's my picture. But it also says I need to draw a number sentence, an addition equation. So addition is what? Plus or minus? Adding or taking away? Addition is adding, yes, so that's going to be a plus. We know there's going to be a plus there. So we have 2 squares, so that's my first number, 2, plus my 3 stars is my second number, my second add-in, so that just means number I'm adding, equals, because that's all together. The question was, how many total shapes are there, or how many shapes all together? What's 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3, or 1, 2 plus 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so the goal is to use your picture to help you solve the equation. Number 1 says Miss Klein has 3 cats and 2 dogs. How many total animals does Miss Klein have? Do I need to draw a big, in-depth, fancy picture of a dog and a cat? Nope, it's just a sketch. So I might just, over here, I might just draw a quick circle with some pointy ears, a little triangle nose, and some whiskers, and some eyes. That's my quick cat. Doesn't have to be fancy, okay? It's just a quick sketch when you're doing a math story problem. A quick sketch that's going to help you figure out your answer to the story problem, okay? Number 2 says, there are 5 apples and 5 bananas in the fruit bowl. How many total pieces of fruit are there in the fruit bowl? Same thing, just draw your quick little sketches of the fruit and use them to figure out your equation and the answer to your equation. Ms. Klein saw 6 butterflies and 4 ladybugs in her yard. How many total insects did Ms. Klein see in her yard? So you're going to do your 6 butterflies and your 4 ladybugs and figure out how many insects all together. Make sure you're drawing your picture, writing your equation, and solving it. Picture, number, sentence, or equation with the answer. If you wanted to, you could even put that box of here's what we're figuring out. Our answer goes in there when you're writing out your equation. Miss Klein drew 4 hearts in 1 circle. How many total shapes did Miss Klein draw? Okay, same thing. Make your picture, make your equation, write your answer. There are 3 trees and 7 flowers in the yard. How many total plants are there in the yard? Okay, so that is your work for today. If you don't have someone to help you read the questions, you could replay the video and you could pause it. After I read the question on the video, you can pause it and do your problem and then play it again to hear me read the next one. Okay? Have fun.